Imagine this. You work hard every month, and money comes in, but somehow it disappears just as fast. No matter how much you earn, it still feels like you're always starting from zero. Bills, subscriptions, random online purchases, maybe even a little credit card balance creeping up. And then you see people online talking about investing, saving, building wealth, but it all sounds confusing or even a little intimidating. So where do you actually start? In this video, I'm going to break down personal finance basics in the simplest way possible. No complicated jargon, just the core ideas many Americans use to manage their money better. If you're starting from scratch, this video will give you a clear roadmap. Here's the truth most people don't realize. School teaches algebra, history, and science, but almost nothing about managing money. So millions of adults enter the real world without understanding things like budgeting, saving, debt management, or investing. Because of that, many people fall into the same patterns. They earn more money, but their spending grows even faster. Others avoid investing because it feels risky or complicated. And some people leave money sitting in a checking account, earning almost nothing. The result? Years go by without real financial progress. But here's the good news. Personal finance is not complicated once you understand the fundamentals. Think of personal finance like a simple 4-step system. When you follow these steps, managing money becomes much easier. Step 1. Understand where your money is going. Before saving or investing, you need visibility. Start by tracking 3 simple categories. Income. This includes your salary, freelance work, side hustles, or business revenue. Fixed expenses, things like rent, mortgage, insurance, car payments, and utilities. And variable spending, groceries, restaurants, entertainment, shopping, and everyday purchases. Many people are surprised when they actually look at the numbers. Small expenses like food delivery, subscriptions, or impulse purchases can quietly add up over a month. The goal isn't to cut everything. The goal is awareness. Because once you see where your money goes, you can start controlling it. The next step is building a simple budget. A budget isn't about restricting your life. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. One simple framework many people use is the 50-30-20 rule. About 50% goes toward needs, housing, groceries, utilities, and transportation. 30% goes toward wants, dining out, hobbies, travel, and entertainment. And 20% goes toward saving and investing. Your exact numbers may look different, but the important idea is simple. A portion of your income should always go toward your future. After that, the next step is building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, unexpected bills appear, and sometimes jobs change. An emergency fund acts like a financial safety net. Many people aim to save about 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This money is usually kept in a savings account where it stays easy to access. The purpose isn't growth, it's stability. So when unexpected problems appear, you won't need to rely on credit cards or loans. Once your financial foundation is stable, the next step is investing. This is where your money can start growing over time. Many beginners start with simple long-term investments that spread money across many companies. The key idea with investing is patience. Instead of trying to predict market movements, many investors simply invest consistently over years or even decades. Time and consistency often matter more than perfect timing. When you look at the big picture, personal finance really comes down to a few core habits. Spend less than you earn, save consistently, prepare for emergencies, and invest for the long term. These ideas may sound simple, but simple habits repeated over time can completely change your financial future, because small decisions made every month can quietly shape the direction of your life. Everyone starts somewhere. The important thing is simply taking the first step and learning how your money works. If this video helped simplify personal finance for you, comment below with one word: budget, saving, or investing. Which one do you want to improve first? And if you're interested in learning how people build financial stability step by step, consider subscribing. On this channel, we break down money topics in a way that's simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. In the next video, we'll go deeper into one of the most important skills in personal finance, how to build a beginner-friendly budget that actually works in real life. Not complicated spreadsheets, not strict rules, just a practical system many people use to take control of their money without feeling restricted. So if you want a step-by-step budgeting method, check out the next video on your screen. And I'll see you there.